As the heat index tops 100, it may be hard to recall the other record-breaking weather from nearly 6 months ago. Back on February 1st, Chicago was hit with the third largest snowstorm in city history with more than 20 inches of snow, remember? Whiteout conditions made travel almost impossible, especially on Lakeshore Drive, where hundreds of drivers were trapped, some as long as overnight. And then, of course, who could forget the thunder snow? After the storm, our own Jay Shefsky put together a sampling of YouTube videos and home videos sent in by viewers of the storm. So, to cool you off, here's a look back at the blizzard of 2011.
It's February 1st, 2011, and we're at the beginning of what could possibly be the biggest snowstorm in Chicago history. We'll see how it goes. Wish us luck.
I rode this Whizzer in this morning. I'm going to be riding it home now. I've been stuck out here going on 3:30 to 1:30, oh my goodness, going on 10 hours. So it's been 10 hours since I've been stuck out here. And I don't know if you can see, literally the snow is right at the top of the door. It's near the window. And if you look on this side, it's like I'm in a cave. I don't know what to say, except if they don't get me in enough time, my car could be covered completely in snow. I could be barricaded under here. I don't know if I'll suffocate. I don't know what will happen.
Alright, trying to see if I can get another flash of thunder snow. Can't really see. That's the Huron building. Alright, I'm getting really cold. I'm gonna go. Oh! Just saw it! Wait for it! Wait for it!
So I got a little less than a quarter of a tank. And that's keeping me warm at this moment, so we'll see what happens. Okay.
Okay, let's go before my camera dies.
Wait!
Okay!
We're gonna go towards the mailbox.
No, you gotta go across the street.
Oh my God!
It's
Groundhog Day 2011 in Barrington, Illinois. There were 60-mile-an-hour gusts of wind, and this 40-foot spruce tree fell over.
Can't even get out. There's no blocking the door.
Door's still open. Apocalypse scene in here.
Well, what a difference 5.5 months makes. What would you rather have, what we just saw or what we're in the midst of? Your call. If you'd like to see all the blizzard video that was sent to us back in February, you can go to our website.